Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a brand new iMAX B6AC 80 watts RC LiPo lithium nickel metal hydride digital battery balance charger and discharge. I got this out of eBay for $27.54 plus tax, free shipping. So total is $29.95. And this is the cheapest that I ever found. So let's go ahead and then unbox this for you guys to check it out. So I ordered this yesterday, which is on the February 7th, and I already got this on February 8th, which is next day. And the seller is within the California, so normally when they ship it out in the morning, you should get it on the next day. This is iMAX B6AC dual power, 80 watts, professional balance charger and discharger, AC/DC dual power. It's charged up to 6 cells, temperature sensor, discharge, and it has a A123 LiFe microprocessor controlled. Here is the specification right here. It's a lithium ion or LiPo or LiFe 1 to 6 cells, NiCad and nickel metal hydride 1 to 15 cells. There's a lead acid PB 2 to 20 volt. Charge rate is 0.1 amp up to 6 amp. Discharge rate is 0.1 amp to 2 amp. So the reason I got this because this one comes with the AC adapter or the charging cable. The other one you gotta buy separately. There's a smaller one or the skinnier one. So this one comes with like a alligator clip. Come with all this various connector to charge different batteries. So. And then the DC input is 10 volt to 20 volt. The one I got, this one is the AC input, 110 to 240 volt, 50 hertz or 60 hertz. So let's go ahead and then open this up and then show you guys what's inside here. And this is made in China. That is the barcode. It's a brand new seal, so I'm gonna cut this open right here. So this is a thank you card right here. So here are all the cables that come with it. And then you get the instruction booklet or instruction manual. Some of these troubleshooting guide and stuff. So yeah, with the lithium ion battery, those require a special balance charger, or else you're gonna explode those battery by overcharging it or destroy those batteries. So So let's go ahead and check this out. They got so many connectors. These are the positive and negative alligator clip. And then these are two of the different type of charging connector. There's this one. Not sure what's this one, but looks kind of weird. And then there's another one right here. So this is the AC cable that come with it. It's a 3-prong. And then let me go ahead and show you this unit right here. Wow, look at that. Pretty nice built-in AC adapter. So you can select the battery type or stop. Status or decrease or increase. And then start or enter. There's your LCD panel right here or display. There's a balance charging socket. It's a 2-cell, 3 cells, 4 cell, 5 cells, and then 6 cells. And here's the output right here. So that's your 2 cells, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. And this is the heat sink right here. There's your AC input right here and DC input. So it says never use the charger unsupervised. So yeah, you gotta be careful because sometimes if you overcharge, your battery might cut on fire and end up burning your house down. So you gotta be careful. And then you got the 4 of this rubber feet on the bottom. So let me just plug it in real quick and see what it look like. LiPo charger, 1.5 amp, 22.2 volt, 6 cell. And then if you press increment, this is balance. And right here it says fast charge. And then there's a storage. And then this is a discharge. So the charge, balance, fast charge, storage, discharge. So let's say if I press enter, so you can adjust how many amp, 1.3, 1.4. So yeah, it's start from 0.1 amp up to 6. So I'm gonna keep it low for now, 1.5. And then right here I can adjust the voltage. So 22 22.2 for 6 cells, 18.5 for 5 cells, 14.8 for 4 cells, 11.1 for 3 cells, 7.4 volt for 2 cells, 3.7 volt for 1 cell. So basically it's the same thing to balance charge, and you just adjust those values. Okay. And then fast charge, you can do 1 cell, 2 cell, 3 cell, up to 6 cells. Or you could leave it on auto. And then storage, be the same thing. But there's no auto selection on this one. And then discharge, you could put on how many amp. And then for the 6 cells, 18 volt. 15 volt for 5 cells, 12 volt for 4 cells, 9 volt for 3 cells, 6 volt for 2 cells, because you don't want to discharge too much, or you're going to destroy your lithium-ion battery or the LiPo battery. So all right, so that's all the menu. Also, you could also select the battery type. Once you press this one, it shows LiPo right now. Or you can use the program by pressing this stat decrease button. Load data, save data, PP battery, NiCad battery, nickel metal hydride battery. So for like a hybrid battery, I'll be selecting this nickel metal hydride, and then LiPo battery again. So those are the selection that you could choose from. Okay. Let's see if we go to programming. So these are all the different types of battery you can select from. Okay. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.